We will have pause until 2:30 p.m. when the afternoon program will start with the semifinals of all the races we saw this morning. And so
it's number 3. They just started. Lane 1 Great Britain, Netherlands, lane 2, lane 3 Argentina, lane 4 Hungary, 5 Spain, 6 Denmark, 7 New Zealand, 8 Israel, and 9 South Africa, Republic of South Africa. We will see the Hungarian. They competed also in the 1,000 meter yesterday. We got the final. The same crew. You can remember them because they have long hair in the number 2. There they go. Could be a problem with his balance with his big hair. Go from right to left. Anyway, all together, but it's not important. Important is to win if you don't want to be in the semi-final with the other winners. So this is the reason, because it's better to be in front, and Hungarian do it. Follow from number 5 Spain. Number 6, 3-1. So yeah, we will see the time just to compare with the other. But it's Zabo Zanto. We have they make a mistake on the board, or maybe in the graphic here. On the board is Zanto. Here we have Zabo. Small, oh yeah, 132, yeah.